Hey, welcome back to another episode of 501 BBQ. I'm Brian Robinson. We got Kelsey behind the camera, and tonight we're going to show y'all an award-winning appetizer recipe involving some shrimp, some conecuh sausage, and we're going to show you how to make up an awesome sriracha mayonnaise sauce for it. Y'all stick around. All right, this appetizer is going to be a very simple recipe. It's a simple cook. You're only going to need a few things. We have some large size shrimp here and just some original conecuh sausage. And all we're gonna do is take our sausage here and we're just gonna start making some pretty thin slices with it. And you'll see what we'll do with this here shortly. So I'm gonna get all of this sliced up. All right, that should be plenty for the amount of shrimp we have. So all we are going to do is start taking our shrimp. Going to kind of lay it here like that. And we're going to put that sausage right in the bend of the shrimp. And we're going to take, we got some 3-inch toothpicks. And so we're just going to run them through. Gloves make it hard to pick up the toothpicks. Watch your fingers over here. That's it there. So we'll get all of these done and we'll come back to you whenever we're ready. All right, we're down to our last one here. And I'm not gonna lie, it is a little tricky to get the toothpick to go through all that thin. But we got it, and so there is all those. So you can season these however you would like, but this sausage has tons of flavor, and so we like garlic. So all we are gonna season this with is just kind of a pinch of light garlic salt. Looks good to me right there. But that conecuh sausage, if you haven't tried that, you definitely need to try that out. You can get that at Walmart. Most of your big chain grocery stores have it. Give it a shot. So we're just gonna let these hang out right here. The next thing we've got to do is get this grill fired up. So let's go do that. To cook these shrimp and sausage, we're gonna use our 22.5-inch Weber Kettle grill. We've got our barbecue vortex in. So what we're gonna do is start off with some good Royal Oak briquettes. And since this is gonna be a short cook, we're only gonna fill this about halfway. That looks good right there. No need filling it all the way up whenever they're only gonna cook for a very short time. So we're gonna take some of our Royal Oak tumbleweeds. We're gonna put about 2 in there. Light them up. That's gonna take about 15 minutes. Those coals are gonna be good to go. Those shrimp are gonna go on and they're gonna be so good. Y'all stick around. While this grill is coming up to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and make this sriracha mayo. So all we've got is 1 cup of Duke's mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of sriracha, and we're just gonna add a pinch of salt, a pinch of garlic salt, and then we've got the juice of 1 lime. So we're gonna get all of this incorporated. If you like it a little more spicy, go ahead and add you a little more sriracha. Make it your own. This is just kind of a good guideline of what we like to do. Here goes the lime. A 2-finger pinch of garlic salt. And then a little salt. So we're gonna get this good and mixed up. And it is just gonna sit out here on the table until we're ready to use it. As you can see, it takes on a nice color. Looking good. So we're just gonna get this good and mixed up, and we're just gonna set it to the side and wait till these shrimp are done. The grill's running right at 350 degrees. That's exactly where I want it, not too hot for the shrimp and sausage. So all we're gonna do is come through on one side and lay all these shrimp and sausage in. And you don't want to get distracted or get too far away from your grill, or these might not turn out too good. They will cook quick. We may flip them, we may not. It just kind of is a judgment call while you're cooking, just kind of depending on how they're looking. So we are going to get this lid on, and we are going to keep a close eye on them. We've been 5 minutes on these shrimp, and I'm just going to come in, kind of give them a little look. I'll go ahead and give them all a quick flip. Starting to get a little color on some of them. This will probably be the last flip, because it won't be long now. That heat feels good coming up right there. Kelsey's gonna be wanting to switch me spots. I've got her cold out here. Give this other piece of sausage. All right, so we'll probably come back to you. I'm thinking maybe another 5 minutes, but we'll just come back to you whenever these things are done. We've been another 10 minutes, so we have been 15 minutes total. Set this lid over here. I think they are done. Our skin's kind of starting to peel back. We'll go ahead and see what this sausage is showing. So thin, it's hard to see. It's reading 170, that's good. 168. Oh yeah, we're good. So if you wanted to get a little more char on it, you could put it over the coals, but I am definitely fine with it this way. It's probably hard to tell, but we do have some char on it. So we are going to go ahead and get all of these off, and then we will meet you at the cutting board. All right, we're all done here. A lot of times you hear us talk about a rest. We ain't resting these things. So before we dig into one of these, just go over what we did. We started with a package of large size shrimp, and we made up a sriracha mayo sauce that had mayo, sriracha, some salt, garlic salt, a lime. We cooked this on the Weber grill with the vortex. It cooked about 15 minutes total is all it took. Simple recipe, short cook time, perfect for some good appetizers for football games, or just, hey, have it for supper like we're gonna do. So without further ado,
what kind of sausage did you use?
conecuh. Which one is it? Smiley, conecuh. Is that it? Either way. All right. Regardless of the sausage, it's gonna be good. So all I'm gonna do is just take me a little bit of this sriracha mayo. Looks good right there. Hold that tail, hold that toothpick. That shrimp and sausage is good every time we make it. We love it. Like I said, this sauce, if you wanted a little more spicy, add you a little more sriracha, just make it your own, season it how you like it. But if you like what we're doing here at 501 BBQ, check us out on Instagram, Facebook. Leave us some comments on these videos. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, send us a message, and we'll answer all of them, or try to, as long as we see them. But subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and we'll see y'all next time.